The place of celebration for a marriage holds great significance in the Catholic Church. According to Canon Law, specifically CIC, Can 1118, a marriage between Catholics or a Catholic and a baptized non-Catholic is typically celebrated in the parish church. This ensures that the couple is rooted in their community. However, with permission from the local ordinary or parish priest, it can also take place in another church or even a suitable location. Interestingly, if one party is unbaptized, the marriage can still occur in a church or another appropriate venue. The parish church of either the bride or groom is usually the default, as highlighted in CCEO, Canon 831, which emphasizes the role of the groom's pastor. What's fascinating is that couples can choose to celebrate their union in sacred spaces like chapels or shrines, provided they have the necessary permissions. This flexibility allows for a personal touch while adhering to the church's guidelines. Ultimately, whether in a parish church or another sacred site, the focus remains on the sanctity of the marriage and the blessings that come with it. Thanks for watching. For more information on Christian marriage, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Canon Law Explained.
Marriage, a sacrament ordained by God, reflects the union of Christ and His Church. This sacred covenant finds its highest expression in the liturgical celebration. Within the Church's sacred liturgy, the couple's love story becomes intertwined with the grand narrative of salvation. The liturgical rites, enriched with scripture, prayers, and blessings, illuminate the profound spiritual reality of marriage. Through these outward signs, the invisible grace of the sacrament is conferred, uniting the couple in an unbreakable bond. The liturgy, therefore, is not merely a ceremony, but the privileged place where Christ Himself unites the couple. Canon 1119 emphasizes the Church's responsibility to safeguard the sanctity of marriage. It highlights the importance of celebrating marriage according to the prescribed liturgical rites. These rites, developed over centuries, embody the Church's understanding of the sacrament. By mandating adherence to these rites, the Church ensures that the sacrament is celebrated with dignity and reverence. This also guarantees that the essential elements of the sacrament, the free exchange of consent and the priestly blessing, are properly expressed and witnessed. The canon serves as a safeguard against any attempts to trivialize or distort the sacrament. Canon 1120 acknowledges the role of local bishops in overseeing liturgical practices within their regions. It grants the Episcopal Conference the authority to approve liturgical books for marriage. This authority, however, is not absolute. The Episcopal Conference must ensure that any adaptations or additions to the rites are in harmony with the Church's universal law and liturgical tradition. This ensures unity and consistency in the celebration of the sacrament, while allowing for legitimate cultural adaptations. The bishop's role highlights the importance of collaboration between the universal church and local churches in matters of liturgy. While the Church emphasizes the importance of celebrating marriage according to the approved rites, it also recognizes that exceptional circumstances may arise. In emergencies, such as danger of death, a dispensation from canonical form may be granted. This exception, however, does not diminish the importance of the liturgical celebration. It highlights the Church's pastoral sensitivity in providing for the spiritual needs of the faithful, even in dire situations. The exchange of consent and the priestly blessing, whenever possible, remain central to the sacrament, even in these extraordinary circumstances.
In marriage, expressing consent is crucial. According to Canon 1104, spouses must articulate their agreement in words. If they can't speak, they should use equivalent signs. This means that simply being present or sending consent via phone, fax, or letter isn't sufficient. The law emphasizes that consent must be expressed vocally or through clear signs. If one partner struggles to communicate, a trustworthy interpreter can help convey their intentions. This ensures that the essence of consent is preserved, highlighting the importance of mutual understanding and commitment in the sacred bond of marriage. Consent isn't just a formality, it's the foundation of a lifelong partnership. Recording marriages in the marriage register is a crucial step following the celebration of the marriage. According to the CIC Canons 1121, 1123, and CCEO Canons 840, paragraph 3, 841, 842, the parish priest or their delegate must promptly document essential details: the names of the spouses, the officiant, be it a priest or deacon, the witnesses, along with the date and location of the ceremony. This record must be signed, adhering to the guidelines set by the diocesan bishop. Moreover, it's vital to also note the marriage in the baptismal register. If the marriage occurs outside the baptized person's parish, the priest at the marriage location must swiftly inform the parish of baptism. For marriages celebrated in secret, a special register is maintained in the diocesan curia's archives, ensuring confidentiality while still fulfilling the legal requirements. This meticulous process not only upholds the sanctity of marriage, but also preserves its history within the Church. Thanks for watching. For more information on Christian marriage, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Canon Law Explained.